Hi, my name's Barry Wood. I play with a band called Junkyard Dukes at the moment. I've been playing drums since I was about 13, 14, so quite a long time. I'm nearly 50 now, so I've been playing them for a while. I play the Collision 7A Reach. I've always played 7As ever since I started playing. What I particularly like about these drumsticks are obviously the length. That little bit more length is great, particularly for cymbal work. Sometimes in tight venues or different venues, you have to position things slightly different. So these sticks are great to get that cymbal work. They're also really durable. I mean, I'm in a rock band. We sort of do rock covers at the moment, and I do play the drums quite hard. So previously, I go through sticks quite a lot. These I find really durable. That little bit more strength to them, so you can really whack them. They've also got a great feel. 7As are great anyway. I think they're a really good feel drumstick. Give you that more feel around the kit. But although they're longer, they don't seem. It doesn't detract from playing. It just gives you that extra reach. So, thanks a lot, Barry, Junkyard Dukes, Collision 7AR. Thanks a lot. Cheers.